Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are watching this video, chances are you are tired of compromising. You are tired of massive, bulky desktop towers that take up half of your legroom, gather dust, and sound like a jet engine every time you open a few browser tabs. Or maybe you are frustrated with an overheating laptop that just cannot keep up with your daily workload. Well, what if I told you you could have the immense power of a high-end desktop computer packed into a device that literally fits in the palm of your hand? Today, we are taking an incredibly close look at a machine that is completely changing the game for home offices, casual gamers, and business professionals alike. I am talking about the highly anticipated ACEMAGICIAN S3A Mini PC. This is not just some budget streaming box. This is a true powerhouse equipped with the 2026 AMD Ryzen 7 H255 processor, lightning-fast DDR5 memory, and stunning Radeon 780M graphics. Before we dive deep into the benchmarks, features, and why this might be the absolute best tech purchase you make this year, make sure to smash that subscribe button. And listen, if at any point in this video you decide you want to upgrade your setup and grab the ACEMAGICIAN S3A for yourself, I have secured the best available Amazon link for you. You'll find that affiliate link right down in the description below. Clicking that link is the best way to support this channel at no extra cost to you, and it ensures you are getting the best possible price. Now let's get into the review. Let's start by talking about the physical design, because the form factor of the ACEMAGICIAN S3A is absolutely mind-blowing. When we say mini PC, we mean it. This incredibly compact machine measures just 6 by 4.5 by 2.5 inches. It's astonishingly small. You can place it on your desk and it will take up less space than your coffee mug. The chassis comes in a sleek, professional black color that looks fantastic in any corporate office or work-from-home setup. But ACEMAGICIAN knows that we also want our desk setups to look cool and personalized. That's why they've integrated a stunning RGB lighting system right into the case. You get 3 completely different RGB modes. If you're doing serious business work, you can turn the lights to a subtle mode or off. But when the workday is over and it's time for some casual gaming or watching movies, you can switch on the vibrant RGB modes to instantly elevate the mood of your room. Furthermore, if you want the ultimate minimalist, clutter-free desk, you are in luck. Right out of the box, this mini PC comes with a VESA mount and all the necessary screws. This means you can easily mount the S3A directly to the back of your computer monitor. All of your cables stay hidden, and you effectively turn any standard monitor into a powerful all-in-one desktop computer. Of course, a beautiful design means nothing if the computer is slow, so let's talk about the brains of the operation. At the heart of the ACEMAGICIAN S3A is the phenomenal AMD Ryzen 7 H255 processor. This is an 8-core absolute beast of a CPU. It features a base processor speed of 3.8 GHz, which is already incredibly fast for daily tasks. But when you need that extra push, say you're exporting a video, compiling code, or running a massive Microsoft Excel spreadsheet, this processor dynamically boosts its speed up to a staggering 4.9 GHz. Because it has 8 dedicated cores, multitasking is an absolute breeze. You can have a Zoom meeting open on one screen, multiple heavy Google Chrome tabs open on another, and your email client running in the background, and this machine will not even stutter. What is even more impressive is the power efficiency. Traditional desktop computers can consume hundreds of watts of electricity, driving up your energy bills and generating a massive amount of heat. The ACEMAGICIAN S3A operates at a maximum power consumption of just 54 watts. It runs incredibly efficiently, and thanks to its highly optimized air cooling method, it stays cool and whisper quiet even under heavy workloads. To support a processor this powerful, you need cutting-edge memory, and ACEMAGICIAN did not cut any corners here. This system comes fully loaded with 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5 RAM. Listen closely because this is a massive upgrade over older computers. This is not DDR4, this is the newest DDR5 technology, boasting an ultra-fast memory speed of 6,400 megatransfers per second. This immense memory bandwidth means zero bottlenecks. Your applications will communicate with the processor instantly, providing a buttery smooth experience whether you are doing photo editing, web browsing, or online education. For storage, you are getting a massive 512GB NVMe PCIe 4.0 solid-state drive. If you have never used a PCIe 4.0 solid-state drive before, prepare to be amazed. Your computer will boot up in mere seconds. Massive files, applications, and heavy casual games will load almost instantly. And with 512 gigabytes of storage capacity, you have plenty of room for your operating system, your business files, your family photos, and a great library of media. Now, let us address the gamers and the content creators. Can a computer this small handle graphics? Yes, it absolutely can. Integrated directly into the processor is the highly acclaimed AMD Radeon 780M graphics coprocessor. While this machine is not designed to replace a massive $3,000 hardcore gaming rig, the Radeon 780M is widely considered one of the best integrated graphics chips on the market. It's perfect for light gaming, effortlessly running popular esports titles and casual games at smooth, highly playable frame rates. It's also a dream for creative professionals. If you need to do photo editing in Photoshop or cut together some video footage, this graphics chip handles it beautifully. But where this Mini PC truly shines is in its display capabilities. The ACEMAGICIAN S3A supports a native 4K resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels. Even better, it allows for a triple monitor setup. On the back of the device, you have an HDMI port, a display port, and a Type-C video output. You can connect 3 brilliant 4K monitors simultaneously. This is a game changer for day traders, video editors, and multitasking professionals who need maximum screen real estate. Let us talk about getting connected, because this device is a connectivity monster. Despite its tiny size, it features a grand total of 7 USB ports. You will never have to worry about buying extra USB hubs just to plug in your keyboard, mouse, external hard drive, webcam, and printer. Everything fits effortlessly. For internet and networking, it embraces the absolute latest wireless technology with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2. Wi-Fi 6E provides ultra-low latency and blazing fast download speeds, ensuring your Zoom meetings never drop and your 4K Netflix movies never buffer. It also features a dedicated Ethernet port if you prefer the absolute rock-solid stability of a wired connection. And here is one of the best parts. It is ready to work the second you take it out of the box. It comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro operating system, not the basic home version, but Windows 11 Pro. This gives you enterprise-grade security, remote desktop features, and advanced management tools that are essential for modern business and work-from-home environments. So, let us bring it all together. The ACEMAGICIAN S3A, manufactured by Shenzhen CYX Industrial, is a masterclass in modern computing. You are getting the incredible 8-core Ryzen 7 5500H processor, 16 gigabytes of ultra-fast DDR5 RAM, a blazing 512GB PCIe 4.0 SSD, and the fantastic Radeon 780M graphics chip, all wrapped in a gorgeous space-saving design with customizable RGB lights. It's backed by a worry-free 2-year warranty and stellar customer service. It currently boasts a highly impressive 4.6 out of 5 stars from dozens of verified Amazon customers, proving that this machine lives up to the hype in the real world. Whether you are buying this for your daily, everyday use, for your kids' school and education needs, for a home theater PC in your living room, or as the central hub of your professional business, this Mini PC is the ultimate solution. Do not suffer through another day with a slow, outdated computer. Reclaim your desk space and upgrade to the future of computing. Click the Amazon link down in the description right now to check the current price and secure your ACEMAGICIAN S3A Mini PC today. Remember, buying through that link supports the channel and helps us keep bringing you these deep dive tech reviews. Thank you all so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. Drop a comment letting me know how you plan to use this Mini PC in your own home. And do not forget to subscribe for more awesome tech deals. I will see you in the next video.